आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is if a vector and b vector are two unit vectors, then find the greatest positive integer in the range of 3 a plus b vector modulus upon 2 plus 2 into a minus b vector modulus. So firstly I'm writing down the given quantities. I have given that a vector and b vector are unit vectors. So it means that a vector is equal to b vector is equal to 1. Their magnitude is 1. Now I'll be finding out a vector plus b vector whole square. So as per the identity, it would be equal to a vector square plus b vector square plus twice of a vector dot b vector. Now let's substitute the values. So since in the above statement I have written that the both are having the magnitude 1, so let's substitute it here. Square of 1 is 1 plus square of b vector would be 1 also because it is also a unit vector plus 2. Now it's a dot product. So what's a dot product? It will be equal to a vector dot b vector into cos of theta. If we are assuming angle between a vector and b vector be theta, then it would be cos of theta in case of dot product. Now let me substitute the value of a vector and b vector again. So it would be equal to 2 plus twice of, it would be 1 because 1 into 1 is 1, cos of theta. It would be 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now since we all know that cos of twice of theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if I am considering angle theta here, so in this case I can write cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So I'll be substituting it here and I'll be getting 2 plus 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Simplifying it further, I get 2 plus 4 cos square theta by 2 minus 2. 2 cancels with 2 and I'm finally getting a plus b vector whole square is equal to 4 cos square theta by 2. Taking square root on both sides, what I'm getting a vector plus b vector is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. Let it be equation number 1. Now I'll be finding a vector minus b vector whole square. So as per the identity, it is equal to a vector square plus b vector square minus 2a dot b. So it would be further equal to a vector square plus b vector square plus 2a vector b vector cos of theta. It would be minus here because it's an identity of a minus b whole square, so it would be minus here. Now substituting the value of a vector and b vector, I am left with this is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos of theta, which is further equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. Now I am taking 2 common here, so I am left with 1 minus cos theta. Now there is an identity that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. So if I am having 1 minus cos theta, I can write it as 2 sine square theta by 2. So I'll be substituting it value here and I'm left with 2 into 2 sine square theta by 2. Simplifying it further, I can write it as 4 sine square theta by 2. Now this is a minus b whole square. Taking square root on both the sides, I'll be left with a vector minus b vector is equal to 2 sine of theta by 2. Now let's get back to the question what we have to calculate. So we have to calculate 3 mod of a vector plus b vector upon 2 plus twice of a vector minus b vector. Now let's substitute the value. So it will be equal to thrice of the value of a plus b is 2 cos theta by 2 upon 2 plus twice of sine theta by 2. Simplifying it, I get 2 cancels with 2 and I'm left with 3 cos theta by 2 plus 4, it would be 2 sin theta by 2 here, plus 4 sine of theta by 2. Now one thing here is to be noted is that theta, the range of theta, it will belong to 0 to pi. So this is the solution. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।